Guys, today I will be unpacking this temperature and humidity data logger. So as you can see here, the features, selectable measuring cycles, 32,000 readings, USB interface, includes software. So it comes with the battery. So here's the USB. So the back, so you can see there's still a small CD here. So I don't know, hopefully there's a downloadable file on the internet, because I don't have a CD-ROM at my laptop. Okay, just open this now. Okay. So you can see here there's like two screws here, then small CD, but I don't know if I can still use. You need to find a CD-ROM drive, or maybe there's a downloadable file from the internet. Yeah, here is the thing. So the screw is for the holder, so when you're monitoring the temperature, so you can just put it on the wall. Then just open this one like that, maybe just pull it out, so you can attach to the computer to get the readings. Then let me see if there's a information here about downloading. Then here is the battery. Then yeah, here's the manual for this. Yeah, there's some guide how to use. Yeah, I will try this on later, then I will give you some feedback. But first I would like to show you how to install the battery. This is the battery, so 3.6 volts. Try this one. So I haven't opened this, so let's see. So this one should be pulled out with a small screwdriver. Yep. So just push this tab, then you can pull it out. Then here is the position for the battery, so negative on the bottom. Then push it in. Now see, just put this back. Make sure this hole is on this side. Okay, now it's closed. Then I will try this on. Just press the button. So I still don't know how to use this thing. I will come back.